This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 FKK SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 27 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, stovetop burner, water heater, LP detector, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, mid-bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 FKK SE is 5,150 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.